Okay, instead of using Loctite, I use this stuff right here. It's like a thread locker too. So you want to pull it out like that and cut it. It's just so you don't have to wait for the Loctite to dry. You can just wrap this around, and it takes a lot of it. So you need to keep wrapping it around the screw. Kind of pulling it down like this. You can see the screw indentions. You want a lot of this stuff on, so you want it to wrap around the screw until you can't see the screw indentions anymore, to where it's just a white, solid white. Okay, then you're going to cut off the excess right here, and then the screw should look like that. You're going to take your and just stick it in. You got to push down on it to get it started. It's going to be really tight. And that's it. And then you're good to flip. It might take a couple of times to get the exact right amount on, but there's no waiting, and you can flip that day. You don't have to worry about the Loctite getting into where it's supposed to be turning. Anyways, that's what I do instead of Loctiting. Thanks.